A new day, a new Apple device, the Apple AirPods, 3rd gen to be exact. Now, how are these different from the 2nd gen AirPods or the AirPod Pros for that matter? What comes in the box? These are all really great questions that we're going to answer in this very video. So, without further ado, let's get started. Now, real quick guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because it definitely helps out the channel. So let's tackle the first question. Well, first, how is it different than the 2nd gen AirPods? Well, for one, you have an all new design, which is more like an old design because it's a cross between the AirPods of old and the AirPod Pros themselves, the one that come with the silicone tips, which is a missed opportunity in my opinion for these particular AirPods because you don't get tips with these. I get that they want to keep the Pros and the normal AirPods, and I'm guessing in Apple's world, silicone tips equal Pro, but for me, they equal fit and form and comfort. And I like the overall new design, but I think it suffers from the same faults that the old AirPod design suffered from. And for me, that is that it falls out of my ears, unlike the Pros with those Pro tips, I guess. Now for these redesigned AirPods, the 3rd gen, you are getting the spatial audio with dynamic head tracking, which is basically aka simulated surround sound. It works really well when you're listening to any audio tracks, podcast, or any media in general. It's really an immersive experience, and the overall sound quality on these is actually a little bit better than you're getting on the 2nd gen. Everything sounded a little louder, more crisp, more clear. You were able to kind of understand the words a little bit better, and I just found the general music that was coming out of it to be more bassy than these 2nd gen AirPods. But I think, again, going back to those tips, it would really improve the overall spatial audio and sound quality if those tips were just forming a better seal in your ear themselves and just giving you that ability for these to be more stable and just more fitted to your comfort. Now, these new gen AirPods also sport a 6-hour listening time, which is an hour more than the previous generation, and it's even an hour and a half more than you're getting with the actual Pros themselves. The case itself has also been updated to look a lot more like the Pro case. It's opening more from the front than it is from the top, and it also includes Qi charging ability that's actually included in the case this time by default, so you don't have to buy a special case to have wireless charging. It's also MagSafe compatible, and you're also getting the adaptive EQing. This is basically the technology that effectively tailors the sound that's coming out of the AirPods to the shape of your ears, and that was included with the AirPod Pros but not in the last generation of AirPods. Now, for all intent and purposes, these headphones are basically the AirPod Pros minus the active noise cancellation with a better battery life than the Pros, of course, another hour and a half added to these, and also minusing those all-important, all-pro silicone tips. You do also have the Force sensors, which give you the ability to control your entertainment directly from the stems of the AirPods themselves. You can answer and end calls, and they are sweat and water resistant. They're not waterproof, so you can't go swimming with these things, but if you're working out, sweat gets on them, you should be fine, even though I don't recommend these for intense workouts because they're just not headphones I would associate to intense workouts because they keep slipping out of my ears just a little bit too much, but your mileage may vary. And you can't talk about an Apple product without talking about the whole Apple magic sauce, the connectivity, the effortlessness setup. You put these things next to an iPhone, you open them up, you're basically connected and you're good to go with a button press. It also has the in-ear detection that basically pauses the music when you remove an AirPod from your ear. And you also have the automatic switching between the different Apple products. So you have an iPad, a MacBook, an iPhone. You can basically just switch seamlessly between those devices, answer calls on your iPhone while still listening to music on your Mac, while still watching something on your iPad if you're such a great multitasker, I guess. Now, I guess the biggest question is, who were these things made for? That is a difficult question to answer because somebody with a 2nd gen AirPod, I guess that's not looking to upgrade all the way to the Pros, but does want to upgrade, these are a solid option, even though it's not one that I would recommend because even though everything overall has been improved on these AirPods, I just think the Pros offer a better overall sound quality, form, and fit factor. So Sure, you'll be sacrificing some battery life if you're going to the pros and some listening time, but you're getting active noise cancellation, which will improve your sound quality overall. The ability to have your fit with these silicone tips that come with it, an overall better seal in your ear. I just think at the moment that the AirPod Pros are probably going to be the better option for most people that are looking to upgrade at this time. I appreciate all the changes and all the upgrades Apple's placed into these third generation AirPods, but I really do think they missed the mark, not including those silicone tips for form and fit, which is something that's extremely important for the duration of use. So for me, these are going to be a pass. But either way, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Are these something that you're looking into? Which AirPods do you currently own? Which one are you looking to upgrade to? Comment in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think. And if you enjoyed the video, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, and share it out. It definitely helps the channel. Check out some of the other videos we have up on the channel. And as always, guys, make sure to stay safe out there. And until I see you next time, peace out.